Good morning, pure structure traders. Today is June 28, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. I'll be giving you some of the levels on major levels on S&P. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels, and then I'll go over some of the levels on gold and also oil for you guys. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys have, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and move into it. So S&P 500, we are on the grind up. I do have a measured move somewhere around 83 to 84 as my target. I have a little bit of a minor level, which we kind of bounced off of, which is somewhere right around these 69 to 70s. Um, that is more of a closer support for me that I'm looking at. Underneath that, another level for me would be somewhere around 61 to 62. So we'll see. Underneath that, it's going to be somewhere around 53.75. So some bigger levels for me on S&P. That's kind of where I'm going to be looking at. But right now, still strongly bullish. So still looking for a nice move to the upside if we can get one. But I'll probably be looking for a pullback versus a breakout. But with that, I'm going to hand it over to Wendy. She'll give you some of the minor levels she got up here.
Good morning. Um, we're bullish. I mean, there's no question about this. We are, as David said, slow grinding it up. And we want to look for our support, our main support, and then start looking for our micro peaks for the bounce up. So there's one support down there at 42.66, which was created on the 25th. It is support because it was a peak. You can see how it took the nice bounce for the move up to 75 area. Our second peak which is now our main support, 69.75. You can see how the market came down and bounced off of it once, twice, three, four. Fifth time is a double bottom. So that is a beautiful support area from our second micro peak. That's a main level of support right there. Third peak, 75.25. Hasn't used it as support yet, but it will. At some point, it will. I want to make mention, I don't rarely talk about micro supports. This is where I hit my first long this morning pre-market. I wasn't up for the double bottom at 70, but the micro support at 72.25 was used nicely for a continuational move up. Took my first target at 76. Now I hope to get it up higher than that. So we're continuing to use our micro peaks. Now we want to have 75.25 locked and loaded for the market to come back down and use for the bounce for a further move up. All right, buddy, that's Spoozy. Back to you for oil and gold.
Okay, perfect. Let me go ahead and move over into gold here real quickly. So for gold, got some bigger levels. We got a resistance sitting right around 1783.2. And support for me is going to be about 74 even. Right now, we're kind of bouncing in between. We did pop up into about 1786.5 and then came right back down on gold. So we'll see. I do want to see if the market can actually get up into those 83.2. So I will either look for a opportunity here on gold for either a pullback into support, or maybe a micro level here for a continuation. So we'll see the opportunity if we get one. But again, I am looking to see if the market can actually get us all the way up into our resistance of 83.2. That is going to be my long opportunity there. Resistance again, if we can get to 83.2 and we can't get through it, that's going to be my short opportunity from that area. So we'll see what we actually get on gold there. Let's go ahead and move it over into oil for you guys. So for crude oil, coming back to a level of support, 73.58 is my first level of interest for support. Going to see if the market can actually hold this support and then pull us up from there right into 74.04. If not, if we can't get through that level, I will look for maybe some resistance to try to pull it down. But right now, still strongly bullish. So my first opportunity is going to be looking for support right here at the 73.58. Below that, 73.20 is my next level that I may look for the market to try to bounce from and then give me a nice opportunity back to the upside. For resistance, I'd rather see more of a short if we're underneath those levels. So we'll pay attention to that. If not, if we get back all the way up to 74 36 and we fail to get through, that may be a great opportunity for a short too. But best level right now, 73.58 as support. But with that, guys, let's go ahead and hop into it.